guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread for the current week, which is the week of October 28th. This will be in my catch-all planner, which is the Happy Planner classic size dashboard layout. Catch-all meaning this planner catches everything. So we will be planning for the week of, like I said, October 28th. You see, I did not do anything in my planner for last week. I just used a little notes insert and did like a running to-do list, but I want to jump into decorating this week and make a pretty spread to use for the current week. So let's see. My camera, I don't know if it's my screen or my camera that's acting a little wonky. I really hope that this video is not going to be messed up. I'm going to pause real quick. You won't even know I'm gone. I'm going to review this footage. Okay, I think it's just the screen. I always use a screen to like view live what I'm actually doing on my camera. So really, I hope this is going to be okay. So for this spread, I want to use some of my fall quotes. So I have fall quotes 1 and 2 here. Starting next week, so technically I guess Friday would be the 1st of November. Starting next week, I'm going to start using some of my new release stickers. So if you didn't see that video, make sure you go find it. I have 10 new winter and Christmas designs that are available in my shop now. I also have some new winter quotes, but I want to finish out October's spreads with some of my fall stickers. So we're going to be using sweater weather. So let's go ahead and see where we want to start. I'm actually going to kind of go back to the last time I decorated, which has been a couple weeks, and kind of see what I want to do with this spread. So I think I'm going to use a long box. I think I'm going to lay down boxes first. Let's lay down some boxes first and then kind of decorate around the boxes. Hopefully that makes sense to you. So we're going to lay this box here. If you have not seen the sneak peek videos of my new releases, there are actually 3. There is a sneak peek of the sticker release, there's a sneak peek of the insert release, and then there is a sneak peek, or not a sneak peek, there is a setup video of me setting up my planners with new inserts, covers, and dashboards for the rest of 2024. So super excited about that. I'm going to lay down all my headers and all my boxes, and then we're going to kind of decorate around. And I think I need to turn my light up some. I tried not to turn it up too much, but I think I need to turn it up some more. My old eyes don't like dim lights. All right, and let's do something different and just lay another long box right here. I normally don't start with boxes, but why not be different if we can, you know? So we'll start with boxes, and then I really want to put, I think we're going to put a couple little square boxes down here. So maybe let's just do something like this. Not overlap, but just kind of stagger. Like that. That's really cute. Okay, and then let's white out the headers and lay down some header stickers. I like for all my headers and boxes and stickers to match. So we'll white this one out, and this one. And for now, we're going to leave this notes down in the corner. I might end up changing that. We'll see. So let's do importance. So my to-do ones are yellow, and I don't want to do yellow and yellow side by side. So we'll make this important. And then I actually don't like that. I don't like that at all, the way that it's overlapping. So we're going to come over some to kind of do that. And then here we'll go with to buy. Actually, yeah, we're going to go with to buy. And I may not even do anything up here. Nope, there's a pink here. So we're going to go here. Okay. And then we'll figure out something decorative to put over here. But for now, we're just going to start laying down some decorative stickers. I may add some more boxes to the right page, the right-hand side page. We'll see. I think I kind of want to do some stickers over top of my boxes this week. We'll see kind of what that looks like as we go along. Oops. So why don't we take this girl and put her down here. I love these stickers. These are some of my favorite stickers ever. And then I'd love to use little pumpkin head girl over on this side. I'm just cutting that little bit of white trim off the edge so that I can kind of line her up straight with the bottom of this box. I think I'm actually going to make her sit on top of the box there. All right, super cute. Love it, love it, love it. My camera is still laggy. I really hope that it's just the screen. Okay, so I want to do something here. So I think I'm going to grab my dashboard layout headers. And I do offer these in my shop again now. So I think I'm going to do Remember. And I'm going to take a orange box and put here, and then put a header inside the box. I think that will look the best. Okay. All right, so now we're going to continue decorating. So put those to the side. Now we can decorate some more, and I really, really, really want to use this sticker here. And so I think I kind of want to just put it right in here. So we're just going to cut it flat at the bottom so that it sits right on this box and then right over top of that yellow box. It's super cute. Love it. All right, now I love these boots. I think we're going to take this pumpkin and kind of cut it. Wait, I'm going over top of boxes, aren't I? Yes, I am. Okay, we'll go there. And let's see what else we can do. I think I'm going to do some more boxes in this spread. And I think we're going to do yellow and yellow. So let's try to peel up this girl here. Actually, let's don't. Let's put this box like right in here. And we'll put this box right over here. And then we'll take some florals. Maybe this one. Lay that there. And then we're going to do some florals on this side as well. So let's go ahead and do this one over here. And we just covered up that notes box. So I didn't even have to worry about covering up notes. We got it. All right. I'm going to take the boots and put down here at the bottom. I think they'll fit perfectly. And they do. And then what else can we do? Let's take an orange pumpkin. Go down here. I didn't even show you the washi that I picked out, but I do have some washi picked out. All right, and now let's just kind of decorate. Let's just kind of sporadically put some florals around here. Maybe a leaf or two. Love it, love it, love it. We can go with a leaf here. A little yellow flower. I'm going to try to use this whole sticker sheet. A yellow flower. A leaf. Okay, I love this. I have this one big pumpkin left, and I really don't have anywhere to use it, so I've used almost the whole sheet. Okay, now we're going to fill in with some washi. So I have this really cute washi. This was from a Temu haul that I did. So this matches perfectly. And then I have 2 of these skinny rainbow Amazon washis. These should be linked down in the description below. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of rip, and we're just going to sporadically place some washi just to kind of fill in some white spots. So maybe we could do like down here some. Cut this excess off. Keep cutting my page. Oh well. And then maybe a little bit up here. So we could go this way. I'm actually going to take my X-Acto and cut straight down. Well, as straight as I can. Okay, that's super cute. I love this so far. All right, and now let's put a little bit more of this washi on the other side. I think we're going to go maybe here and here. So let's go here. Oops, that's upside down. And then we'll go this way. And then we're going to cut them off to go match the lines. Perfect. Oops, still stuck to my finger. And then let's take a little bit of this colored washi. I think we're going to go in with this bluish color first. And I think I'm just going to kind of go right down here at the bottom. To kind of break up that color there. And then I think we'll do the same thing down here. Super cute, okay. I think I might go with a little bit over here too. I love how this looks already. This looks really pretty. And then I really don't know that I'm going to do any pink. Unless I do some down here. I don't know. What's this look like? It's cute. Okay. Not going to do any here though because we have the pink there. All right. So now let's do this side. So let's just kind of go with the same thing that we did. Cut this off. And then over here, we're going to do the blue and the pink. And we'll do the pink on the bottom. I can line it up to the bottom. Okay. Yeah, this is really pretty. I like this. All right, is there anything else that I can do? That's crooked, isn't it? Yep, this is crooked, super crooked. I think it's really crooked. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Maybe it's the blue. That's a little better. It's still crooked, but we're going to leave it alone. All right. So now I'm going to do a little bit of the blue right here. Just because I have a single blue over on the other side. So we're going to have a single blue on this side too. Might actually continue this on. Let's try. Okay. I really like that. All right. So I am very pleased with the way this looks. It's full. It looks super cute, adorable, perfect for the last week of October. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it actually looks like on the discs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I do hope you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me over on Instagram. I am going to do my best to be more active over there as well. So look how pretty this turned out. I love it. I'm ready to write in it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm going to film my horizontal, and don't forget, all stickers are 50% off in my shop at pleasantlyplanned.com. All of my new dashboards, covers, and inserts are also available now too. So you can use the code WINTERLOVE in all capital letters, WINTERLOVE, to save 20% off of anything that's not a sticker in my shop as well. And you can combine both discounts. The sticker discount 50% off is automatic. You don't need a special code. So that is it for this video. I love you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.